Once someone walks through the front doors, they are immediately in access of the whole front hall of the building, and to be accurate, they could be able to go anywhere in the building. We would see them, but they do have access to the whole building from that area. So if Prop S were to pass, it would actually shift the entrance of the school, the main doors, to the area between our gym and our cafeteria. There is an open area by our outdoor classroom. That whole area would become the main entrance, which would allow visitors to come in to a little closed-in vestibule area, an area that's closed off so that they could be checked in, we could see where they're going, and then they have to actually walk through the office area to access the rest of the building. We would be able to have, again, very good, clear picture of who's coming into the building, and they would have to, for security reasons, come through our area to be able to get to the area where the students are and the staff are, so it's maximum safety, and it would be a great thing for our building. So there's not a lot of light out here, and at nighttime it can be very dark. We do have a handful of lights in the front and in the back, but we've had staff and family members who have been up here late at night that have showed lots of concern about how dark the parking lot is. The main reason would be to provide a safe environment for our students and our staff, especially staff who stay late working hard.